Welcome to another video from Mod Brothers Australia. This is Oxide Hacks. Today I'm going to teach you how to spoof Pokemon Go with Ispoofer. This only works on 13.6. You got to be updated for it to work, so make sure you're on 13.6. And also, this don't work on jailbroken iPhones or iPads. This is only for unjailbroken phones and iPads. So basically we're going to go to a website on our phone, appdb.to, and when you get here you're going to press link your device, and then you're going to press link a device, and then you're going to enter your email.
So I had to pull out because I'm not an essential. But it's COVID driven, so they should have. Yeah, right. Okay. So they said, well, we can't give you a record.
And then
I don't want a record.
press OK.
I just want prep. I have no record of that. They did not.
And press allow and close. Then you're going to go to your settings. You're going to go to general. You're going to go to profile. You're going to click the appdb device link, and you're going to press install. Put your PIN number in off your phone if you have one. Press next. Press install. Press trust, and press done. So that part's done. Now we're going to go to our computer, and we're going to go to the same website. So we go to appdb.to and press enter, and we're going to go to link a device, and then when you click link a device, press that again and enter the same email address as you just did. And press OK. And then now you got to go to your email, and go to the email it sent you. And sorry, wrong one. Then you're going to go to control this device. Click that, and it will come up with the appdb.to website, and it will say this PC Mac was linked to appdb successfully. Alright, and now you can see I'm iPhone 6s 13 on 13.6, and jailbroken is not. That's why there's a question mark. So now once you've done that, you're going to go to iTunes, and you're going to create a new account. So you go to account, sign in, create new Apple ID, and you're going to put an email in, so just another email. And then you're going to put a password in, and then confirm the password, the country you're in, tick the terms and conditions, and press continue. And you put your first and last name. You can fake this, so YouTube. Oh, hang on, Mod Brothers AUSTRALIA. Date of birth, just put any 1990. Now the questions, test, test, test. You can put real information in if you want. Untick that and press continue. Okay, test, best, and list. And then when it comes up to the credit card part, go none. Put an address in, 123 Flake Street, 214, somewhere. Australia. Then the phone number, it's got to be the right number.
Talking to yourself?
No.
Who are you talking to?
To. I'm making a video for someone.
Ah, okay.
916964.
No, you're making a video.
And then you press for a friend. Oh 04 02 16964 and press continue, and then go back to the email and verify your Apple ID. Copy that, minimize that, Control V and verify. Alright, now once you've done that, press continue, and then we're going to go to the developers of Apple. So the link will be in the description. Copy, paste and go. Now just enter the one you just entered, like the email that you just created, my brother aus@gmail.com, and press next. The password you used, and press next. Press other options, press don't upgrade, press continue, click that and submit. Right, once you've done that, you now need to download two files. You're going to need to download Rick Impactor and the IPA file. So the links will be in the description. Alright. And hang on a sec. And then once you've done that, you'll need to go here, and then you're going to want to open Rick Impactor. Alright, actually don't have to download the IPA file, just go to Cydia apps tweak games.
It doesn't have to be bold.
And press Ispoofer for Pokemon Go. And once you've done that, now connect your phone to the computer. Once your phone's connected to the computer, then you want to go to iTunes. Make sure iTunes is closed. Okay, and then you want to go to install from mega.nz. Click install. Oh, sorry, you got to go to. I've missed one step. Alright, you got to go to the configuration page. So copy that. Go there. And then with the Apple ID, use the exact same Apple ID you just made. And then put the password that you created. And then press no for jailbroken. And keep all the other settings correct. Then save the configuration. And then it's been saved. So that's been done now. Now you can go to Ispoofer and install from mega.nz. Press cancel because you've already got Rick Impactor. And then wait for that. Make sure you got Rick Impactor open. Yep. And just wait for this to do what it's got to do. And then press install via Rick Impactor. And press install. And then now you can close that. And as you can see, it's downloading for Ispoofer. Then go to your iPhone. And if it says, just press install. This takes a little bit, so just wait for it to complete. And as you can see, it's loading Ispoofer. This does take a little bit, so just wait. And now we got to go to our iPhone, so it's done, it's installed. And now you got to go to settings. Go to general, device management, and your email will be there. So click that one, your email, and trust. Press trust. And then back out. Now go to Pokemon Go. And as you can see, there you go. I will say, but some features on this, you need to subscribe to it. So go to subscribe now. And it's $5 a month. So it's well worth it. You don't have to pay for the joystick. So we'll just show you. And I'll just show you it's working. So as you can see, I've got the joystick. And voila, we have the Ispoofer. Hello?
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 Hi, was I speaking with John?
Yes?